What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Aplomb multifunctional laptop desk. Now you can get this on Amazon.com for $35. Alright, now they say this is the desk for standing at work, sitting on the floor, relaxing in bed, sitting on the sofa, or an outdoor picnic. That is designed in such a way that your laptop screen can be placed at eye level and you can also keep your shoulders straight. That ensures that you do not experience pain in the neck and back. And also this ensures that you do not get tired too quickly, which makes you more productive. And it keeps your laptop heat away from your body, so it shouldn't cause any numbness on your legs. It's easy to adjust, easy to set up and store, lightweight but sturdy. So let's check this out. Open it. Alright, so here's your table. Not really too big. Let's get rid of this box. So this is the table that you have. Let's get rid of this plastic. Check it out. Alright, now you got some instructions right here to tell you some things. You know what I mean? Tell you how to open and unfold it, how to press it down, how to set the table angles, and there's a blocking bar. So I'm guessing this is your blocking bar. It goes in like that, so you can put some right here, keep it from sliding down or whatever. We got Aplomb. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I hope I am. Probably not. But Aplomb branding right there, so it's letting you know from the rip that it's their product. Now if you flip the table over onto the top, you see how it functions. So I'm guessing it opens up like that. Pretty easy. And then you got this function right here. See what that does? You got a button right here to adjust your leg height. Same on the other side. Adjust the leg height. And see, it folds in like that. See what we missing. You got some little feet right here, some rubber feet. You know what I mean? So it'll keep you from sliding. So right here we have the table, and it's sitting on another table, but this is what it looks like. And then you got these little flaps right here, and these are for so you can change it. The direction, you can make it lean or roll, flip, you know what I mean? So if you want to flip like that, you lock them back into place and sit it just like that. Now if you got a laptop or tablet, you sit it on here and this would keep it from falling off. And then you have this little area right here. But all in all, this is a nice table. Definitely something you can use for the kids if you want to, you know, have them sit on the floor and, you know, do a drawing or do some homework or something like that. This would definitely work for that reason. And if, you know, somebody in the hospital or somebody, you know, who just needs somewhere to put a laptop, to put, you know, to read a book or to do whatever you want to do, this would be a nice, convenient table. Really, really small. You can slide it under a bed, you can slide it under a couch, under a table, put it in a cabinet. So you're not gonna have to worry about space and losing space with this item. It's pretty sturdy, lightweight. It doesn't seem like it's just gonna break if you drop it or knock it over. So I would definitely say the build quality is A+. The little stopper right here to allow you to set a tablet or something here while it's in the tilt position definitely works out. That definitely is a plus in my favor, in my book. But very adjustable, very accommodating. You know what I mean? I would definitely say this is an accommodating product, so you can use it how you want to use it and make it fit to your preference. So if you want to buy the Aplomb foldable table stand, I'll put the link in the description so you can go directly to the link and purchase this item if that's what you want. But it's D.O. aka Bonds Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.